said lately. Again, you may say.
No.
Because
This is
it's by
not old.
Gandhiji.
You don't find any dictionary.
That's not. Gandhiji
It is not old. It is.
It is like Daridhanarayan.
Daridhanarayan. Yes, you are intelligent. It is another manufacturing. Daridhan. So Janardhan, Janata is not Janardhan. We say Jesang Pakkhe Janardhan. Jesang Pakkhe Janardhana. All glory is to the party whose side Janardhan is there. Jesang Pakkhe Janardhan.
Isham.
Pakshe.
Pakshe Janardhan. Pakshe Janardhan હોય છે.
Panduputranam Jesang Pakkhe Janardhan. Panduputra, the Pandavas are glorified because on their side Krishna is there. Therefore victory for them. One very big doctor of Allahabad, my old friend, Dr. G. Ghosh, he is also DTM, MBBS DTM. He wants to join this movement.
Very good. At least there will be one doctor.
Eh?
At least there will be one doctor who will look to the health and hygiene of the inmates.
Why not yourself?
On that point I am going to speak a little.
No.
That gentleman,
These rascals, Asuras,
Yes,
they do not know which is the goal of life,
What is to be
in
done and
which
what is
way we shall direct.
not. Yes.
These rascals, they do not know. Still they become public leaders,
Yes.
Asuras. Nabidu, how to dissuade people to stop this, just like we are doing. No illicit sex. This is nivritti. Nivritti. No illicit sex, no intoxication, no gambling, no meeting. This is nivritti. Just hear me. And pravritti, take to Krishna. This is pravritti nivritti. But the rascal demons, leaders, they do not know it. Pravrittincha, nivrittincha, navidu, asuras. They do not know it. Still they become leaders. They do not know in which way people should be directed. And still they claim to be public leaders.
no acharam na satyam teshu vidyate.
No acharam. Personally they also do not do anything. They are addict to drinking, addict to prostitution, and they by votes they become leaders. How people will be happy? Asura Jana, led by Asura Jana. This is the whole chapter of Bhagavad Gita. They are making their plan. What is that plan making? Idam maya labdham idam prasi punardhanam. This is the only plan.
Nishya prana.
Now I have got this bank balance, and tomorrow father increase, and tomorrow father increase. If this increase, his life decreased, and kicked out of this thing.
That plan becomes out of date next day.
Huh?
That plan becomes out of date next day.
Yes.
Because of the...
That he is my enemy, he is my friend. I have killed so many enemies. Now one enemy is still there.
Nishya pranapi. Adyo
And,
dharmanasmi.
who is richer than me, who is wiser than me. These are the plans of the Asura.
Adyo abhijanmanasmi koanyo asmi. Sadrisho maya.
Sadrisha Maya. Yes.
Yokshe dakshami
Odishya.
Yes, I will protect my money in this way. I shall keep money in this way so that my sons, grandsons and great-grandsons will enjoy. And I am going to become a cat and dog, doesn't matter. My grandson will enjoy. These are the plans. Where this rascal is going, he has no information. He has no information where he is going. But he is making provision for his great-grandson. He does not know who is coming to his great-grandson. This is Asura program. Ask these Asuras that if you do not believe in the next life, then why you are working so hard? They reply, for the next generation. Next generation. And if you do not believe in the next life, what is the meaning of next generation? They say like this is the Asuric civilization. Tanaham disata kruran kripami agastha.
Just Asuri.
So,
Asuri Muni Mapanna
Muda Germany. They will never be able to understand what is Krishna. Adhamangati. They will never be able to understand. And remain in darkness and transmigrate from one body to another, and this business will go.
But then how will they come up? When they
When they tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya. When they come to this state to understand things by surrendering. But they will never surrender. That is their business.
Lord, when the Lord gives, has his stick, then they surrender.
They are surrender. They are being kicked by Maya every moment. But because they are full, they say, I am not surrendering. In Bengal it is called Behaya. Behaya. And no shameless. He is being kicked every moment, but he is so shameless that he is declaring, I am independent. I am independent. Shameless. खूब जूता खा रहा है तब भी बोलता है हम किसी को मानता है.
Just like those dogs, you mean to say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the position of the Asura.
Right. See, agar 16th Adhyaya I read.
This
right.
is the characteristics of the Asura. Yes. They are under stringent laws of nature, being kicked every moment. Still they are declaring, there is no God, I am independent. I am independent. Every moment he is dying, and still he thinks, I shall live forever. This is Asura. Pravittin cha nivittin cha. So this is required, pravitti and nivitti, to know
What is pravritti?
and what is nivitti.
Pravritti means worshipping
Pravitti
God.
means inclination for doing something. That is called pravitti.
Nivritti means?
Nivitti means to stop. Pravitti deshan bhutanam nidvittestu mahaphalam.
Nivritti to?
Nidvittestu mahaphalam. Here, at the present moment, not at the present, always in the material world, the desire is that I shall become the greatest enjoyer. I shall become king, I shall become minister,
Modi Sheikh.
and at last I shall become God. You see? So this is the false pravritti. And one who can cut down this rascal propensity, he is successful. But I am neither a king, neither a minister, neither I am going to become God. I am a teeny living entity being kicked by the Maya like football. When it comes to this understanding, he is in knowledge.
Adyo abhijanmanasmi konyo
Yeah.
sadruso maya.
But he is so shameless, that in spite of being kicked like that, always, he is thinking, I am God, I am independent, I can do anything. This is Asura. Asuri bhava mapan.
Asuri bhavam apana.
Namang duskitinam mudha prapadante narakama. Maya apritaggyana asuri bhava masi. Because they have taken to this asuric principle, they do not surrender. This is the disease, material disease. Here is Krishna, the perfect leader. And they are going this side, that leader, that leader, that leader. Why? The perfect leader is there. His instruction is there. In all fields of life. Any field of life. And ultimately spiritual realization. But they will not take. They will not take. Hare Krishna. No. Where is your book? Can you read?
Oh, he forgot and I brought another book. I brought that Shikshapatri. Where there is the name of Krishna on every page. I told you the other day. Yes.
Shikshapatri.
It's a code of conduct for all Vaishnavas.
Read something.
That's I will read the beginning and then from the middle. Vame yasya sthita radha Shrishcha yasya asti vakshasi Vrindavana viharam tam Sri Krishnam Sudhi Chintaye. That is the beginning and how it goes. Then
so why that person said that Sahajananda Swami Nara is the topmost?
the Guru. निवेद करके दारू पीते थे भगवान को.
No, that is Buddhism.
So
That
he
is
has
not
stopped,
Vaishnavism.
that is, he has stopped them.
Huh?
What he said, na bhaksham
no.
sarvatha masam yagna shishta.
But that is Buddhism.
That is right. But
That
he is
is-
not Buddhist, he is a
no.
Vaishnava.
But he is taking the Buddhist philosophy.
He is not taking the Buddhist philosophy.
Yes,
What way?
Yes, because in the Shastra, in the Vedas, it is stated that sometimes it is recommended animal sacrifice.
He does not want
No,
that should be
he
done.
says even it is stated.
Should not take it.
No,
That is
that
what-
means he is
this is
denying the authority of Vedas.
He denying the authority of Vaishnava. I think
No, Vaishnava does not say that.
he denied the authority of Buddhists and not Vedas.
No,
See what he says again.
No, you read it.
Na bhaksham sarvatha masam
Sarvatamasam.
yagna shishtam api kvachit.
Even it is Jagga system.
There also you should not eat.
No,
We should not eat.
no.
That is what he said.
That is means denying the authority of Vedas.
I mean,
Vedas says
you eat
that you can eat meat,
meat.
after Jagga.
But he said no, you should
And
not
therefore
eat.
he is denying the authority of Vedas.
You should not eat meat, even Vedas says.
Yes, therefore he is denying.
Yes, that doesn't matter. I don't want to eat
Yeah.
meat, even the way. Even you sacrifice a goat here and offer won't eat.
You cannot
Na chaiva sura
deny
madhyam
the authority of Vedas.
Vedas in Vedas.
You may not eat, that is a different thing.
Ve-
But the Vedic authority, just like suppose the law says this man should be hanged. If you say no, even if he is criminal, he should not be hanged. That means denying the authority of law. You cannot say that.
Acha, that's right, all right.
Yeah.
So you must eat the meat if it is.
No.
You.
That you should not eat. That you see.
That is what he say, you should not
because
eat.
he does not know what is the scheme of Veda. You cannot stop meat eating all of a sudden. But you can raise some restriction. These rascals who are meat eaters, if you say, don't eat meat, he'll never do that. Therefore, yes, you can eat meat just after offering to the goddess Kali, and in this way, that means once in a month, that means restricted. Restricted. So, Vedas means they are taking gradually. Not that like a foolish, you don't do this. You cannot do that. That is Vedic authority. Vedas are meant for everyone. Those who are meat eaters, you cannot stop them. All of a sudden.
Na vyabhicharo.
Similarly,
Vyabhicharo na
drunkards,
kartavya.
you cannot stop them. They don't drink. They will not hear you. Therefore, restriction. Yes, you can drink after offering to the Devi, and that means restriction. So what is the meaning of marriage? Because sex life like cats and dogs, stop it. Just get married. So in this way. Otherwise, you must say, no man. Just like the other day, the sannyasis came, because some women were sitting, they will not enter. But I saw their teeth were so unclean and the dresses were never washed. You see? But they have got this restriction. No seeing of open.
व्यभिचारो न कर्तव्य कुंभी स्त्री
You cannot deny the authority of Vedas. Suppose you are following ahimsa, you cannot say that a state should not anymore hang anybody. That you cannot say. You follow.
Shall I read it?
Yes.
व्यभिचारो न कर्तव्य कुंभी स्त्री
Now my point is that Buddhism was rejected from India because he decried the authority of Vedas.
So this fellow also will be
That-
rejected.
Yes, immediately. Because he does not accept the authority of Vedas. That is real knowledge. Nindasi jagga vidhiraha suti jata. Yes, Buddha, I mean to say,
Shall I read again?
criticize the jagga vidhi. Jagga vidhi. Jagga vidhi you cannot criticize. Jagyartha karma nattu lokayam karma bandhana. Karma bandhana. So jagga must go on. And the vidhi must be followed. That is real acceptance of Vedic knowledge. If you manufacture your own concoction, this is good, this is bad, that will not help you.
देवता तीर्थ विप्राणाम स्वाद्वी साध्वी नाम च सतामपि वेदानाम च न कर्तव्या निंदा सद्या च.
Well, but why is he making ninda? That is, you don't do it, even it is.
Reading.
No, in the past you said, you cannot kill animal.
That
Even
is
it is accepted.
I follow it, even though you say that you kill it for the sake of yagna. I am not going to kill it. That's all. That is my personal view.
That you
And
can
I
do,
am
but you
upholding it.
cannot decry the Vedic laws.
This
That
is not decrying the Vedic law.
Yes,
I don't
yes, he
think so.
said, OP, even it is enjoined in the Vedas.
I don't think so.
No. Why not?
No, I
It is
don't think
clear, it is clear.
You
You don't think, but the writing is there.
Writing,
Writing is there.
writing can be interpreted in
No, no,
thousand
no, no.
ways.
You can
If you are-
interpret.
No,
No. We are not
I
after
am
this.
not going to take that way.
We cannot accept. As soon as you say OP, even it is enjoined in the Vedas, don't do it. That means decrying the Vedas. What do
You
you
want
think?
to eat us meat by saying the Vaishnavas, we won't do it. If you say
Vaishnavas forbid.
So then that this is a Vaishnava,
That's
we
all
forbid to
right.
eat the meat.
But is that for that reason you cannot decry the Vedas?
But this is not Veda. You see, if you kill an animal and sacrifice in the way of
That is
tantric
Vedic
method,
injunction.
tantra, not
Sacrifice
Vedas.
is done.
This is Tantra, not Vedas. Vedas don't want. And they used to
No,
make
no,
animal
why
living
not?
again after killing it.
No, no.
Are we able to do it? So this is Tantra. He wants to decry the Tantra and not Vedas. By Tantric, they were killing animals to eat them away
No,
for
man.
the pleasure of the teeth, for pleasure of the tongue.
Tantra, of course,
As
I do
a
not know what
Vaishnava,
kind
I
of
will not
Tantra.
believe in killing any
That-
animal and eating it. Even if Vedas say you kill it, I will not. And I don't mind decrying the Vedas that way, if you say so, sir.
But that
I am
is-
so
that
strong,
is-
I am Vaishnava. I
that
don't,
is-
I don't,
that
under
is-
no circumstances, I can allow an animal to be killed. I am very sorry to say this. If the Vedas say kill, I won't. I won't, don't want that, those Vedas.
That is Buddhism.
I don't mind you call me a Buddhist or a fool, but I won't kill an animal being a Vaishnava myself.
That's all right. But the thing is that you may not like something, but you cannot decry the authority of the
This is
Vedas.
not decrying the authority of the Vedas,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Excuse
yes,
me.
yes.
I mean, I will bring the Vedas before you. Which I have
You
studied.
can manufacture your
I am not
own way.
manufacturing. I am not manufacturing. Nowhere Vedas say you kill the animals and eat them away.
Yeah.
Our forefathers were so clever as to kill them and
Every
make them living again.
sacrifice, there is injunction of Vedic.
Sacrificing means sacrificing your.
No, you mean something, but actually that is not the meaning. That is the difference. You may mean something. You may not like.
I as a
The
Vaishnava will
point is that you may follow. There are in the Vedas there are different ways, but you cannot decry the authority of the Veda. That is the point.
not- As a Vaishnava, I will not say this. As a Vaishnava, even Vedas say you kill an animal and eat it, I won't. I won't kill it, I won't eat it. I have not eaten it in England as a student of London University. Meat.
I am recommending you to eat
No, you
meat.
did indirectly so. I am very sorry.
Then it is very difficult to talk with you.
No, but it amounts to that.
Therefore, you cannot take any lesson.
No, I am not going to
You
take
cannot
this
take
lesson,
any
kill an animal to eat it. That lesson from nowhere I will take.
That is meant for others.
Say that.
That's
not
right.
for me.
Ah.
All right. Then we strike
Very
bargain. Otherwise, as a
Yeah.
Vaishnav, you can't tolerate.
I don't say that Vaishnava. Why I say? Why you talk like that? Why? Yeah.
ના પણ એ તો કહે છે કે વેદમાં કાપેલું બકરું ખાવાનું તો ના ખાવાનું. But Vedas has allowed in
So
those
that you
days
can-
when
Allowed for the rascals and fools.
fools, but we are
Yeah.
not rascals. So
That's all. But
he is teaching
you
not
cannot
rascals and
reject
fools.
the rascals and fools. That is the way.
But he is rejecting rascals and
Gradually,
fools.
gradually. Just like
As a Vaishnav, we can't tolerate meat.
that is all right. But
I
you
cannot
cannot-
make. They go sometimes and see that fellows
Even they
crowd.
go, that does not mean they are going to kill animals.
But suppose an animal is killed and a prasad is offered, they won't take it.
No,
They won't take it.
no, yes.
That's right. That is what he says. Don't take this prasad even
But
if it is
I
offered.
cannot say the stop animal sacrifice before the deity goddess Kali. That I cannot say. I cannot disobey. I may not take it.
That is what he means to say.
But you cannot say, you
my
cannot
followers
dictate.
will not take meat even
You
at
cannot
the Kali's
dictate on the
temple.
Vedic authorities. Vedas it is
Kali's
described.
temple, Kali's temple is not Ved, but it is a
That
tantra,
you say, that
no?
you say. Not Tantra. Tantra is also within the Vedas. That's like we have got Narad Pancharath.
That's right. But as we are following Narad Pancharath, aren't we? All of
Tantra.
us. All of us. All Vaishnavas in India. The Narad Pancharatra is a very pivot around which we all revolve.
Astray.
Now I'm going
We
to
are
the-
not advocating meat eating. You do not understand. We are saying that even if you don't eat meat, you cannot decry the arrangement in the Vedas. That you cannot.
But this is not Vedic.
This is Vedic.
That you
In
kill
the
animal.
yoga, not in all yogas, but in some yogas, there is a recommendation.
So what do you want to say?
Sister the Bhagavad Gita, Jagya Sister Sino Santam Muchanti Sarvakilms.
Yagna Shishta Anna,
Yeah.
not meat.
Jagya Sister Ashina.
Anna.
So this precision is there. Those who are rascals and rogues will meet,
But we are not
eat.
rascals and rogues.
No, no,
Don't
those
eat.
will eat meat
Hmm.
to bring them gradually to the platform of perfection. There is a law.
We are Vaishnavas, we are
You
not
cannot
allowed
stop
to do
that.
this
Suppose
type of
you,
yagnas.
there are so many non-violence
Yeah.
philosophies.
What I mean
Buddha
is that-
joins, but has they been able
We are
to
allowed to
stop this meat eating?
The Vaishnavas,
That is not possible.
Chandubhai, Vaishnavas are allowed to only perform those yagnas called
Why
Vishnu.
is for satisfaction of Vishnu?
And where there is Vishnu Yag is where there is no sacrifice of
Oh
animal.
yes, you do not know.
That way
There is.
Yagna is not necessary at all.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yagna is only for getting some
In
height
the
to
Bhagavad,
gain certain ends.
you will
Right.
find the
Well,
Dakha
that is
Yoga,
not,
Dakha
that is not
Yoga,
our goal.
Dakha Yoga. There was a goat, and that goat was cut and it was added to the head of Dakha Maharaj. Yes. This is described in the Bhagavad.
Yagnas are only done for certain ends actually.
But
Yagnas
that-
are not
that-
required at all. For a,
But we are
Our philosophy
Ahautik
is
bhakti.
Jaggai Sankirtanai Pravi, Jajanti Isu.
yes.
That is our.
Let Sankirtan be a yagna.
Yeah. It's stated in the Shastra, Jaggai Sankirtanai Pravi, Kalu, in this head.
Why discuss these things for others? We are not meat eaters, nor we do.
He is
As a
simply
Vaishnava.
going in a different way.
As a Vaishnava. No, that is what I'm.
No, you do not understand.
That is
that
my
is the
misfortune.
defect.
That is my
That is
misfortune
the
because I am a
defect.
little
Yeah.
thick-skulled man. But then you explain me what I should behave. Suppose there is a yagna.
Suppose you don't believe in meat eating, can you stop?
I don't want to stop. But
Then
for your followers, you have said that don't eat meat.
Yeah.
Like that, he has told us don't eat meat.
That's right.
Even though it is yagna.
Yes.
So don't call it Buddhist.
But that does
It is a
not mean.
Vaishnava
No,
philosophy.
this is Buddhist philosophy. You do
I
not
like
know it.
Vaishnava philosophy and be
Yeah.
part there and don't
This is
talk on this
Buddhist
point.
philosophy. That even it is Buddha, Lord Buddha said, even it is recommended in the Vedas, I don't accept Vedas. That is Buddhist philosophy.
He accepts Vedas. He said the next moment, Now you read it. I mean, I read it before you.
You
Next
see
one.
here it is stated Nindasi Jagga Vidhi Aha Shruti Jatam. Shruti Jatam means the Vedas. There is recommendation of sacrifice, but you have decried them.
He has not declared. Devata Tirtha Vipranam Sadvinam cha Satamapi Vedanam cha Nakartavya Ninda Sravya Nachakpati.
So this is Ninda.
Ninda Kartavya na Sravyapi.
If you say even it is recommended in the Vedas, that is Ninda.
What
If you say
This is
even
Ninda?
it is recommended by the Vedas, that means Vedas are mistaken. You are right. You do not know what is the purpose of Vedas.
What is the purpose of Veda?
The purpose is gradually to bring them.
But he
Not that all of a sudden if you
he
say,
has
no,
not
you
got
cannot.
all of a sudden. He talks about Vaishnavas who are above all these low class fellows. Vaishnavas much above all those meterers. And he is instructing the Vaishnavas. Don't they?
Vaishnavas should go to sacrifice.
There is no because between a Hindu. They aren't they Hindus?
No. You are mixing Hindus,
I
Muslim and
don't
Vaishnava.
think I am so fool as that to mix
Yes.
up Hinduism with Buddhism. I think you must have little mercy
But
on
you will
my
not
intellect.
hear me, that is the
I am
defect.
hearing you perfectly well, but I am very quick to grasp it. That is the misfortune
And
of
you are
mine.
quick to deviate, that is the point. You do not
How
hear.
how can you say? I mean,
And that is your Alpamedhasa.
Ah,
You cannot understand.
you may call
What
I
am
know Medha,
speaking-
I don't
What
mind
I
it.
am speaking, you do not understand.
Chalo, we go back.
Because the example I am giving, that the law is that a murderer should be hanged. If you fight, I don't care for this law because you are hanging one person. That will be contempt of court. You may not lie, but the law is there. You cannot condemn the law.
Shall we go
That
back?
is my point.
My
that is
point
my
no
point.
meat eating by Vaishnavas. My
You,
point is
you,
that.
you
and I am
do not
trying-
like that anyone should be condemned to death.
That's all right.
But for that reason you cannot condemn the law.
But he is not condemning the law. He said don't make yagna. Does he say don't make yagna? He said make yagna but don't eat the meat. That is not condemning the law.
All right. Vaishnava both.
That's right. But he
You
does not
cannot say the law is only for the
He
Vaishnava.
does not say that don't I mean non-killing and not
You are
eating.
mistaken there.
I am not mistaken.
You are
I don't think I am
mistaken
such a fool
there.
as that.
That this jagga is meant for other person, not for you.
That is why I say we are not preventing them to do the jagna, but we are not
You
taking
cannot
part in it.
prevent that.
That means we are not asking them to break the law. Law of
Like
Veda,
here
as you
it is
say.
preventing that
He
even
is
it
not
is
preventing, he is
recommended.
preventing his followers not to eat meat. Isn't it? I think I have not, and it is all right. So
Right.
I am all right.
To go and worship any other demigod.
Yes,
Kamasthastha hitagyana jajanti annadeva. They are not going to worship.
the same thing he says.
They
that
can
suppose-
offer respect to the
suppose-
demigod.
Suppose by
But that is not
there.
that going to worship.
Suppose you go there, don't take
Therefore
prasad of
Krishna
this.
says, Mam ekam. We are
But
simply
he said the same thing now.
Mam ekam.
I mean,
Only
it is,
Krishna.
It is Vaishnava, 100% Vaishnava. स्वर्ण आश्रम स्वर्ण आश्रम धर्मो यह न आतव्यो न केनचित पर धर्मो न च
Again,
चार वाक्य कृष्ण भक्ति
somebody
स्वधर्म
is bigger than Krishna, then what he will do?
We are going away. All right, you may talk anything nonsense. It is nonsense. You are a fool and a rascal and a rogue and what you are calling so many gods. He is there. And we leave them. That's all.
Yesterday they talk like that.
Then we leave it.
They say that
Yes, they
Krishna
talk
is the
like
incarnation of Swaminarayan.
yes, they talk like that.
No, I don't think. They are not. They are small boys.
No,
I have read the
whatever
Bible
may
also.
be, they represented the Swaminarayan. They said that
They have not represented the real
is
thing. Swaminarayan was a
more
guru.
than Krishna.
That is, tomorrow this boy say you are more than Krishna, then
That's
he's not
why
your
they
fault.
came to talk with me,
But they are
representing Swaminarayan.
I represent Swaminarayan. Let us talk.
Yes. That it is difficult to represent.
I
You say something, he says something.
He's wrong. No, this what is Swaminarayan has written is right or wrong. This is his own handwriting. His own writing. Krishna, that is the injection.
Yeah.
I mean, now those fools are right or I am right.
Vaishnava mukhadgin puta hari katha
That's it.
sabanam na kartabya.
Shravanam is the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Don't hear anything with them. You must not do the sangam.
A Vaishnava does not like to kill, but Krishna himself killed so many demons.
Yeah, Krishna has got the right to think. You can create them
And
also.
he induced Arjun to kill his devotee.
Then
He was the main killer in that.
Yeah.
On the background.
Do you think that killing is bad?
no, yes, that whatever Krishna says is right and whatever we say is wrong. We say kill the animal is wrong. Krishna says kill the animal is right. Okay?
Yeah, Krishna, I mean to say, you do mean to say killing of animal is bad and killing a man is not bad?
No, if Krishna says kill the man, kill this man, that is right. If I say kill this man is wrong,
And Krishna killed some animals also.
then it is right. Whatever Krishna does is right because he has got a power to create. I have
all.
no.
That's all.
You want it?
It's not bad. If it
There is
is
nothing is kill. What is kill? Kill is body. Atma is Shashvat Sanatan.
to abide by the order of Krishna,
That is what we are abiding. But that is what I
not
am.
killing and not killing.
That is what I
Yeah.
say. Yeah, but this.
These are material considerations. If Krishna says you kill, we shall kill.
So, shall I read this?
Let us
Bhakti.
talk Bhakti Doctor.
भक्ति है कृष्ण कृष्ण अवतार but भक्ति बात
We have Shastra can say
some
like that.
nonsense shastras are there who can say
That is not Shastra. Why is accepting the Shastra? He is nonsense. If he accepts something nonsense, Shastra, he becomes nonsense.
so Krishna Krishna avataranam khandanam
Our plea is that let us learn from the standard book, Bhagavad Gita, and study it. Not bring anything else. That will give us proper guidance.
Guru
Then
to
I-
listen completely first.
Then I
Yeah.
say
Ah.
that in the Vedas there are so many
But
injunctions
the type Vedas
for
may be-
different men,
Right.
because the population is Sata, Raja, Tama, Guna. Some of them are Sudra, some of them are Kshatriya, some of them are Vaishya, some of them are Brahman.
He
So
does-
therefore different ways of inducing them is there.
He does not say.
But because something is there for inducing the Sudras in the Vedas, you cannot say, no, this is not required.
So,
That is also required for the Sudras, not for you.
no, but then he is
Yeah.
catering for all Shudra Jivan.
The Vedas means helping everyone.
So
Trigunna Visaya Veda. Trigunna Visaya Veda.
that is the
That
Maya.
dealing, yes.
It is the Maya. Maya.
Nistrigunna Bhava. Your aim should be to go above the qualities of material.
That is what he
But
also
Vedas are describing.
They are Trigunya. And you want to go
Trigun.
beyond Maya. You
So
want to go above Maya.
when Vedas is describing something for the benefit of the Sudras, because it is meant for the Sudras, you cannot condemn it.
But then you should not take part in it. That is what
No,
he
no,
meant.
that is all right.
He has not
That is-
asked you to condemn.
That is all right.
You have not
No,
done
no.
it.
My point is that something is meant for the Sudras.
That's right.
Ah.
But he has not condemned the yagna. He has
Just
made an
like,
injunction that
just
you
like
must
in
not take part in
a
it.
drug shop,
Avo.
there are, Hare Krishna, there are many kinds of drugs.
Ah.
So, something is not meant for a certain patient. And he cannot say, I don't like this drug.
Right. Utsav hetu su nityam cha.
That is also drug
Right.
for certain persons, for a certain patient.
See, Krishna Utsava hetu
Doing that. But
Tulsi
maybe
mali
it was
kegale.
being done by somebody.
They must be in those days. Those were the departurous days when he was born, and he.
This thing is being done, I know, in a big temple in Mathura. When there is big crowd, they put up the electric. And this rascal goes within the woman. I know that.
That is
in,
why he
in,
has
in,
put
in, in Varanasi also, in Vishwanath temple. They do
Very
like
great,
that.
great, great. I know, I have seen it. That is why this injunction. So now you are satisfied that
No,
these injunctions
really.
are right. Right.
My point was that because something is not meant for me and it is in the law,
We
I
don't want to
cannot-
prescribe it.
That
We
is-
don't want. We want to.
we are not servants.
That's it. We don't want. That is what he meant.
Yeah.
We do. My followers, Vaishnavas, will not partake into such things. Let others do what they do.
Yes, that's it.
That was it. Was. But then you become fiery. on
Now
it.
we can
And I
preach.
resisted very strongly.
No. Now my point was that because it is not applicable to me,
No, that's right.
I shall condemn.
No, we don't. He does not condemn it. So let them go and do their own way.
In a lower status.
They are in the.
So they require.
That is. But you are also as big as I am. Both of us, and so we are. Acha, please. Now you are,
Okay, that's,
they are wrong, but you are
How
reading.
can I know they are
now,
not?
now we are reading what he has written.
Okay, Swaminarayan is greater than Krishna.
No, that is wrong. That is you. Tomorrow you will say he was fool. Suppose these boys tomorrow say when you are not there. But Pandya, suppose tomorrow they.
No from there because they represent.
but they are representing.
I am representing also. He also represents. We both are. We are Vaishnavas
But
of that.
he accepted that.
No, he is wrong
I didn't
because he is
accept
not
that.
studied. I have been.
Represented yesterday told me something.
They are boys. We are.
They said
You are also learning and you are also. you are
what they
perfect,
said.
perfect. That is
Ah.
what-
we are not perfect.
No, they are also imperfect.
So you get bad impression.
This type of murti. Shaili, Vadha Tuja Murti, Shaling Gramova.
And Kriya Krishna is Shaktiman. Hare Krishna. The other day, that they chant Swaminarayan, not Hare Krishna.
Because tomorrow we'll say Prabhupada. Then
they never.
yes, but that is we are teaching. But he died very early. He died at the age of 48 years. And before
But
imbibing
that means his followers are not well
Followers have not
conversant.
followed it properly
Yeah.
and they have not taken it.
But when he was actually living, what type of
In England also, they're chanting Swami Narayan, not about Krishna.
Huh?
Hi, they're chanting Swami Narayan.
They actually work for the Krishna only, and they.
No, Krishna, they recommend Shastra, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Kevalam. So why they should chant Swaminarayan?
now listen.
He says to chant Krishna. They're chanting.
Listen this.
You know, there was a big doctor in Calcutta, Nalini Ranjan Sen. He heard his name?
Yes.
Yes.
Sin.
He will die of thirstiness. He still will not drink outside water. He'll come home, offer to the deity, and then. I know that. Nalini Ranjan Sen. Jomi Bhakta That is in
But his Shastraja, first Shastra is Sahasrana.
In the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Satatam Kirtantam Mam, Krishna. But why one should chant the other name? Krishna says, Satatam Kirtantam Mam, Hare Krishna. Not any other thing.
Jo, Bhagavad Mandiram sir.
But their preachers, they are chanting Swaminarayan. They are saying Swaminarayan is greater than Krishna. What kind of preaching this is?
Well, this is the preaching. This is Shiksha.
He knows that this Sikkapatri, the people will go to the temple. If they say, the preachers say that Swaminarayan Naam should be chanted,
This is directly written by Swaminarayan.
and Swaminarayan is greater than Krishna, then what they learn?
Karya.
They say in London they have got a branch, they are
They
chanting.
have all wonderful branches. They degenerate. First, once is
That is
the
what you
start,
said, that
they
people
degenerate.
Swaminarayan. That is my objection. Why they are preaching?
doing Swaminarayan?
Think, Swaminarayan. Narayan is there.
Narayan is there. They must
Swami
name
is
of
their guru
Narayan.
and Narayan is God. So both Prabhupada and Krishna, Prabhupada, Krishna.
But that does not
like
mean,
that.
that does not mean they should chant. Just like
They are chanting.
we have not instructed our disciples to chant my name. Bhaktivedanta Swami, Bhaktivedanta Swami. No.
You have never
They are chanting Hare Krishna. Adharitena samasta shastri yukta. Guru is respected as good as Krishna. But that does not mean I shall teach them. No, you chant my name. Bhaktivedanta Swami, Bhaktivedanta Swami, Bhaktivedanta Swami. What is it? We are teaching. Chant Hare Krishna. Hare Nama. Then
Prabhupada is so much
because
powerful,
my disciple respect me as God, that doesn't mean I'll think I have become God.
તમને બહાર કરી.
Hold some meeting and you are belonging to the, you ask them why you say like this.
We are here, I represent them and you represent
No, they are preaching.
both are Vaishnavas.
Like this boy
These are
said.
two small difference here and there has got no difference at all.
No, no.
I would not
No,
say
no, I
it is
can
a-
understand that. That is not difficult.
Eh?
The only thing is that why they are preaching against their own principle.
એકાદશી નામ સર્વસામ કર્તવ્ય વ્રત
That is
આદરા.
my point.
Eh?
That is my point.
આ સાંભળો ને પણ
Everything is there for Krishna, but they are chanting. Why?
there are in સ્વામિનારાયણ સંપ્રદાય there are ક્લાસ હો ગયા ને so you have to follow me. સ્વામિનારાયણ નામ છે.
So far, we are concerned, Gaudiya Vaishnava. There is no defined conclusion. The conclusion is there. Krishna is the Bhagavan.
That is the right.
Yeah.
He has now
How do you follow?
you had the background of those people.
Well, how can I-
and you
They were sent, they are sannyasi.
No, they say it like that. It is not.
Yes.
those are small boys. What the hell they know about
But
it?
why they are?
And those boys are taught like this from.
Those days you must follow. Now there are 2 days coming.
Ramanand.
No,
There is
no,
Ramanand.
These are different. There are 2
Yes,
days.
sir, they said that we follow
Ekadashi, some
Ramanand.
of the Ekadashi.
Impersonal.
Now he has given about how, what work Brahmana should do, all this.
Why recommended Panchopasana?
I don't understand that.
That is the impersonalism.
I don't.
Avivicharini bhakti.
I don't know. Why?
No.
Pancharatra.
Panchopasana means that the absolute truth is impersonal. You can imagine as person like this. This is Panchopasana. Sadhukanam hitarthaya brahmana rupa kalpana. You just imagine one form. But Vaishnava is not like that. Satchidananda Vigraha. Hare Krishna. Jaya. Satchidananda Vigraha.
See, these are the Shastras. Vedas, cha, Vyasa, Sutta.
Question comes, when the question of Shastra comes, shall I read Bhagavad Gita or this?
All these things should be read together because they are complementary to each other. Everybody means to.
You have no time to
Tatha
read
Srimad
the
Bhagavad
complementary,
Gita, Tatha
then
Srimad
what you will read?
Tatha Srimad Bhagavad Gita,
Gita,
Nichita,
that's all.
Viduro Niti.
It
These
is
are
not
all- these are
possible
the Shastras.
that everyone has to read all the corollaries.
Sri
There is
Vasudeva
one
Madhyam.
main Bhagavad Gita I will read and learn. That I am stressing.
That is
Then I'm
yours,
stressing.
yours is perfectly right.
Yeah.
But I say what he has a wider
But
point.
now
Those
you
ways are
say
different.
there are 7 branches and then preaching in a different way. Now how people will understand which is
Then those
correct?
people were reading so many Shastras. He narrowed down to 5. He wanted the Veda you must read, Vyasa Sutta,
Beginning should be
Vidur
Bhagavad
Niti,
Gita.
Vidur Niti, Vasudeva Madhyam.
Introducing Panchopasana. Panchopasana is not for the Vaishnava.
No, not Pancharatra.
No, not Pancharatra is all right. He has recommended the
Ganapati and
Ganapati and others.
Mahadev and
That is the
In the Bhagavad Gita it is not recommended.
ये तो-
Mamekam.
ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಉಂಟು.
So,
It is not
why he has
condemned.
recommended?
Don't say it is condemned. It is not recommended.
No.
Condemned and not recommended are different things. It is not condemned. It is not recommended. It's to
Abhidhi Purvakam means condemn.
Sir,
You are
what-
doing.
Sir, my point is
No,
this.
Abhidhi Purvak means Vidhi Purvak is right and Abhidhi Purvak is wrong. The same example that one has to supply food to the mouth and if one thinks there are so many holes, any hole will do. That is Abhidhi Purvak. Recommended that suppose Ganapati worship.
He did not
Now,
recommend much about that. You have, if you
And
see in
much
the
or less, that doesn't mean. There is recommendation.
recommendation of not bhakti like Krishna, you have
No,
not
no.
to do another.
What is that name? You read it again.
चला गया किधर भी. I'll have to take it out. I don't know where.
He is uncompromising, only Krishna.
Yes, Mamekam.
But you see, you have come to a narrow path now. It
Narrow?
was a little wider. Because those days were different. When people were worshipping even stones.
I cannot become a chaste woman, cannot be wider.
No.
He must stick to one
No,
husband.
in his time, people were
She
worshipping
cannot
even
say,
trees.
I accept as many husbands as required. And that is not good.
You may speak
So
anything.
200 years before.
200 years before.
As you worship Durga, then you have to sacrifice goat. As soon as you worship Durga,
Durga,
Devi.
no, there is no Durga.
What are
No.
Durga,
yes.
Ganapati, you see this trio, Shiv, Ganapati, one family.
So as soon as You worship Durga, you have to follow the rules. You have to give goat sacrifice.
No. Parvati में goat.
Yeah. Bhagavad it is recommended.
These are
In the
different
Bhagavad it is recommended that when Krishna was asking Devi to go take bath,
Then Parvati same doctor.
Devi was recommended to take bath at the home of Jasoda. Krishna was inducing that he will get so many sacrifices. Yes. So that is Durga Puja Vidhi. Animal sacrifice.
देखो अभी ये दूसरा है हाँ वैराग्यम नियम अप्रीति श्री कृष्ण
I will
but
recommend
he is recommending to fools who have got no
Also
this
that-
thing
that
so
means-
that slowly
And advice to the fools, why the Vedas cannot.
Vedas have advised to the fools to eat animal
Yeah.
but he has advised another fools not to eat it
Yes.
you see
When you worship Devi, you have to sacrifice goat, then what he will do?
ना you नमन करने की बात है not to worship by a goat gurus come in according to kal dharma you see that time
Well,